And you know what, girl? Any night can be date night. And if it's a date with yourself, a date with your man, if it's a date with your friends, if it's a date with God, if you want to get dressed up and look good, you don't even need a reason. But tune in, because we are about to do a soft, transformational glam. Who doesn't love getting ready? So let's just get into this makeup routine because we have places to be. You want your makeup to last all night. You want your makeup to come out coverless, flawless. You gotta make sure that your base is tea. So I already put on a toner, and as you can see, like, my skin looks so glowy. I'm gonna put on my Medicube moisturizer. I do have oily skin, but when it comes to my foundation and my concealers, I don't want it to look cakey. Like, I'd rather it look oily than for it to look cakey. So we're gonna rub this in. We are gonna put on, I'm trying out the Hourglass primer sample because I wanna see, like, is it good? Should I buy it? A little bit of this primer to my skin. Like I said, I do have oily skin, so we wanna make sure that our makeup is gonna be on all night because we're gonna be shimmying and, okay, maybe not. We're gonna keep it demure, but I do want, like, my photos to come out cute. And I've used this primer twice now, and really, honestly, I don't know if it's my foundation or the primer, but my makeup has been coming out so tea. Okay, so I think our base is ready. It looks nice and smooth, kind of like a little bit sticky, which is good because now your foundation can stick to your primer. So let's grab our foundation and get started. So I'm using the Patrick Ta foundation. I don't know what color this is, but I tell you, I have not worn foundation in probably a good 3 years. I've been a concealer girly for so long. I tried this Patrick Ta foundation, not sponsored. It ate me up. It ate me up. It left no crumbs. It is so, like, it just makes me look so natural, so good, so glowy. You guys are gonna see when my makeup is done, you're gonna see what I look like. And you're gonna be like, I don't like too much foundation. We're just gonna add a few dots. This is what we're gonna use. It's the e.l.f. I do think, I mean, I've had this for years. There's no name on it, but I think it's the e.l.f. bronzer brush. Any Target, you can get it. Now, we're just gonna dab this into my skin because I want, like, it to look like that's my skin. When I was getting foundation matched for this foundation, I went into Sephora. Tell me why they gave me this dark AF shade. I love my melanin. I do. But the shade he gave me was like 3 to 4 shades darker. I said, sir, you know, and I know that's not my shade. Why are you plotting on me right now? I think he was plotting on me. So I just went and matched my own shade. And when my makeup is done, you guys are gonna see whether I did a good job or not. But I mean, you can just see already, like, it looks like skin. It looks so glowy. It looks so nice. Like, I'm in love with this foundation. I feel like I've mentioned in one of my other videos, but I don't shave my mustache anymore. I thread it because why do I have a 5 o'clock shadow? What's up with that? Like, I'm not, So this foundation, like, it gives me a natural coverage for that. Okay, we're gonna use this Morphe blush in the color That Girl. You Are That Girl. Don't let anybody tell you different. I like to put my blush on before my concealer. I kind of do it twice. I do it before my concealer and then after my concealer. I just feel like I like how my concealer looks when it sits on top of my blush. I'll get a little clip so you can see the blush. We're just gonna blend it all the way up to my eye. This part doesn't have to be that perfect because we are gonna add concealer. Blend up to the under eye, and we'll do it on both sides. I like this blush because it's so muted and natural. Like, it kind of almost disappears into my skin. Now we have, like, a cute little blush. Let's add our concealer. Okay, so I used a combination of 2 concealers. It's the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum, and I used the color Medium and Sand. I've been using these for a couple of years, and I like it because, again, you know, it just gives, like, natural face, and I think that's, like, my vibe when I'm doing my makeup. Like, I like my makeup to look not cakey. I do love a good bright under eye. That's why I like to combine 2 colors, because, like, sometimes you don't know your under eye color and you need to make your own under eye color. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna put the lighter concealer and dab that right under my under eye. That's what's gonna give me my cut, bright under eye look that I love. And then we're gonna let this sit. I never blend my concealer right away because if I were to blend it right now, it'd be so sheer and it would look like I have no concealer on, and I want to look like I'm wearing makeup. I want to look like I'm wearing makeup, so we gotta let this sit for at least a minute. Okay, I started blending my under eye and like, oof, girl, it's already coming together. I feel like it's best to just like be so gentle and light-handed when you're doing your under eye concealer, because honestly, if you place it right, like how this is placed, it looks good on its own. And you don't have to do too much blending, just literally a little dab here and there. And it's gonna look so flawless and gorgeous. And yeah, we're just dragging the rest onto my nose and then a little bit in my crease area here. Oh, it looks good, girl. Okay, let's do my other side. Starting with this corner and just like blending it out into my skin. So it looks like a natural lift there. And yeah. So comment below if you are a bright under eye concealer girl, or do you like your concealer to match your foundation and your entire face, so we can see like what kind of girl are you. As you can tell, I'm definitely a bright under eye girl. And are you a foundation girl or a no foundation girl? I've only recently been converted, like I said, to foundation because of this foundation and just how good it looks on me. Okay. Ooh, guys, our foundation looks so good. I'm like, eee. You know, like when you practice your makeup a lot and you finally get your makeup routine down that matches your face, enhances your features. That's how I feel right now, girl. So hopefully this routine can help you perfect your soft, natural glam. And anything that's left on my brush, I just like dab here and then like the center of my forehead. Just a little bit, not too much. Not too much now, girl. Not too much. They say when your base looks good, your makeup is gonna come out 10 out of 10, girl. That is how I'm feeling right now. This is a good base. I don't even want to set it because I love it. I just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna add a little bit more concealer though. I love concealer. Just a dab more concealer right here and then right here. Not too much because I don't want to overdo it. But then again, I feel like even if you overdo your concealer, when you do your powder, it kind of tones it down. At least my powder does tone my concealer down in case I get a little too crazy with how light it is under there. Okay, I think it's been a good amount of time. Let's blend this concealer out. And this part, definitely extra gentle because I don't want to mess up our concealer setup that we have. So we're just gonna lightly dab this in. After this, we're gonna add a little bit more blush. And then we're gonna set our concealer and our foundation. Let's add some more blush. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of blush on top because it has faded a little bit. And I'm a blush girl. Like, I love a strong blush. Might have blush blindness, but I mean, it's okay. I won't judge if you don't judge. And I gently tap this and bring it up above the concealer in the corner just a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna set our blush. Do you see how much blush I have left? This is embarrassing, but you know, you're a girl, I'm a girl. This is a girl's girl zone. I literally have crumbs. It's my Wet n Wild Pinch Me Pink. I don't even know why I use this blush because at first I could have swore I didn't like it. I guess it's grown on me. It's grown on me a little bit. So we're just gonna set this blush right here. I like to set my blush first because then I can see like if I need to add more concealer or if I need to add anything else. The blush tells me what I need to do next. Use 2 setting powders first. If it's like an everyday, I just use like my pressed powder, but we're gonna use my pressed powder and then we're gonna use my setting powder. So right now I'm using my Milani Beige Conceal Imperfect Shine Proof powder, and we're gonna use that to set my under eye. I just randomly found this powder when I was in Walgreens like a year ago, and I've been using it ever since. I like how it just like blurs my under eye and just gives me such a shine proof look. And I always set my eyebrows so they stay. And then I use any remaining powder everywhere else I put my in all the other places where my foundation was, especially your mustache. And we're just dabbing away, girl. I'm looking out the window while my neighbors are probably like, what's this girl doing? Because my window's open. We're just dabbing away, setting our makeup, just being a girl, just 2 girls sitting in a tree. Just 2 girls vibing over doing our makeup. This is like the true OG girl bonding routine. So now we can take our 1 size powder. Now this is a setting powder, which is like why I always say you gotta do your pressed powder first and your setting powder last, because this one you're gonna brush off. I'm just gonna take a little bit on that same pad and then just set lightly only where my concealer is, like this. I always gotta be careful with this powder because once you set your makeup, girl, there's no moving. There's no more moving of your foundation. This is what it is gonna be. So you better like where you set your makeup. I never wear contour because do you see how sharp that cheekbone is? Yeah. The contour is contouring constantly on its own. So, but we can add a little bit just to enhance it. And yeah, make sure this is set. If I randomly stop talking, it's because I get so zoned into my makeup. I forget I'm making a video. I'm just enjoying your company so much. I forget I'm vlogging my makeup routine right now. So we're gonna let this sit for a little bit and I'll be back. I feel like it's been a good amount of time. We can brush away our setting powder now. Just really gently because you don't want to mess your makeup up, but you also don't want to leave that white cast powder because I've done that before and girl, it does look crazy. Because like, why is your face ashy? I don't know, my bad. And then I put some on my forehead. We're gonna brush that away too. So I'm actually gonna go back with a little bit more blush. This is like my final face touch. Then we're gonna add some eyeliner and we're like just about done, girl. I like to bring my blush into the inner corners of my nose, kind of like that. Okay, what do you guys think so far? My hair's falling out. I feel like it looks good. Does it look good to you? Let me know. Okay, so now I do have lash extensions on, but I love eyeliner. Like if I only had one makeup item I would wear, it would be eyeliner, because I just feel like when my eyes have that tight line, I look so good. So we're gonna put on my Wet n Wild break proof, waterproof, smudge proof eyeliner, and we're just gonna tight line my bottom. Like you can already just see the difference between this eye and this eye. And we're gonna do it on both eyes and bring it up. Then I'm gonna take a little bit and add it like right above my lashes. I gotta back up from the camera and do this part. Okay, you guys, we are almost done. So my eyeliner is on. I'm just gonna retouch up my lips because I did have like a mini lip combo on when I started. We're gonna use this. I have no idea what the name of it is. I've had it for years. It's probably just some beauty supply plum-ish color. So we're gonna go over the top of my lip line. Just like that. And then I'm gonna add a brown lip liner. We're gonna add brown on top and just blend it out a little bit. Okay, So I'm gonna use 2 lip glosses. I'm gonna use this kind of like pink peptide treatment. That's what I had on before. Put that all over. And then on top of that, we're gonna take this pink lip gloss and just put a little bit like here, because like it really is so pink, but I don't want my lips to be like too pink. Just like, I feel like this is cute. Like this is a really cute, and it goes with my dress, like the pink lips and the blue dress. Guys, we finished our makeup. What do you guys think? I just feel like it looks so good. Glowy, soft glam. This is at least my version of a soft glam. Let me know if you guys like my makeup. I'll give you guys like a close-up. Okay, I'm gonna take my curls out and then I'll come back and show you guys what my makeup looks like with my hair down and done and ready. Okay, you guys, here's my finished makeup. I took my curls out. What do you guys think? So I have this like turquoise dress on. I added some earrings and I just feel so good. I feel like my makeup looks so good. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Don't forget to thumbs up this video because that's how I know to do more. Hit the subscribe button and drop a comment, girl, so we can talk to each other in the comment section. And yeah, I'll give you guys one last, and I'll see you guys in my next video.